So moving forward, let's take up question number 14. It says, let xi be 10 observations of a random variable x. If summation over I from 1 to 10, xi minus p is equal to 3 and summation I equals 1 to 10, xi minus p whole square is 9, then the standard deviation of these observations. When you talk about standard deviation of observations x1, x2 up to xten, it will be same as of the observations x1 minus p, x2 minus p, x3 minus p and so on, because on adding or subtracting something from the observations, standard deviation is not going to change. Yeah, when you multiply xi's with some number, then it will become square of that number, but here it is not going to change. So we can find standard deviation for this result itself, which is involving xi minus p. So yes, the question is now pretty simple. Standard deviation, it is square root of summation xi minus p whole square upon n, that is 9 by 10, minus summation xi minus p upon n whole square, that is we have 3 by 10 whole square. So here we can see this is equal to square root of 90 by 100 minus 9 by 100, that is 81 by 100, or simply 0.9. So the required result is 0.9 or 9 by 10. So when you look at the options, it is given in the form of 9 by 10. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. I'm sure this is clear. Let's consider the next one, that is question number 15. If a triangle ABC has vertices ABC, then its orthocenter has coordinates. We have to talk about the orthocenter of a triangle. Let's say you have a triangle like this, correct? When you are talking about orthocenter, that means point of intersection of altitudes. Yes. Let's say this is A, B and C. The coordinates for A, it is minus 1, 7. B, it is minus 7, 1. C, it is 5, minus 5. Now orthocenter, that means you are talking about altitudes point of intersection. So let's draw first two altitudes. Let's say I'm drawing from A, and then I'm drawing from B. Consider this is right angle. Now, what the question is talking about? This line. We know the slope of BC. We can simply find slope of BC as 6 upon minus 12. So it is minus half. So what is the slope for this line, say AD? Slope of AD, this is equal to 2. So equation of AD is obtained as y minus 7 is equal to 2 times x plus 1, or you can simplify 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Correct? Let's say this is equation number 1. Now let's talk about slope of AC. Slope of AC, we can see this is 7 plus 5, that is 12, divided by minus 1 minus 5, that is minus 6. So here we can see the slope of line, say BE. This will be equal to half. So let's write down. Slope of BE is half. Therefore, equation of BE, this is equal to y minus 1 is equal to half x plus 7, or just rewrite as x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0 as equation number 2. What else required? Solve 1 and 2 so that you can get the point of intersection of two altitudes, that is orthocenter. Solving, you get x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 3. So yes, the correct answer is minus 3, 3. Time to check from the given options. Minus 3, 3 is given here as option number 1. So this is the required result. I'm sure this question is clear. Let's take up the next question. The plane which bisects the line joining points 4 minus 2 3 and 2 4 minus 1 at right angles also passes through the point. Simple one. If you talk about the geometry, the question is saying there is a line joining these 2 points, which are, say, A 4 minus 2 3 and B, say, 2 4 minus 1. Now a plane is passing through the midpoint and it is cutting it at right angles. So obviously the ratios of normal are obtained by line AB. This point is pretty clear. All right. So when you talk about, say, plane, that would be cutting like this. Correct? Making right angle at this point. I'm sure this is clear. All right. We can find the midpoint. Let's say it is here. This comes to be 6 by 2, that is 3, 2 by 2, that is 1, 2 by 2, that is 1. This is the midpoint. Direction ratios of AB. This can also be obtained as 2, 4 minus 2, minus 6 and 4, or 1 minus 3, 2. How I obtained? Simply 4 minus 2, minus 2 minus 4 and 3 plus 1. So we can say 2 minus 6, 4 or 1 minus 3, 2. So these are the ratios of normal as well. Therefore, equation of required plane. Now it's simple. This is 1 into x minus 3 minus 3 into y minus 1 plus 2 into z minus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 3y plus 2z multiplied with minus 3 plus 3 cancelled, minus 2 is equal to 0. So the plane is x minus 3y plus 2z, minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to check which of the following points lying on this plane. Let's rewrite the plane here. X minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 2. Recheck. X minus 3y plus 2z minus 2. All right. Checking all 4 points. When you go with option number 4, you can see this is 4 minus 0 plus of minus 2. That means 2 is equal to 2. What it means? That means option number 4 is the correct answer as required for this question, that this point is lying on the plane. So let's write down the correct answer is 4. I'm sure this is clear. Time to take up the next question.